Hi folks, just popped out for some exercise, having a walk in my local area, and this wood that I'm in now, I've looked at the map on many times and often wondered what it was, or what it was like should I say, and I finally got out to come and have a look, and it's quite nice, but it's not ideal for camping, but still a nice little place to come for a walk and have a cuppa. The reason for this video is that I've not done one for a while, partly due to lockdown and other reasons, been busy with work, Christmas, all the other things that get in the way of doing things. I've been out a few times before the lockdown in November with my friend Carl from Hazzard Outdoors, and we recorded a few things, but nothing enough to make a proper video, but I'm going to stitch that footage in here somewhere along the way through this, because I think some nice bits and pieces, and it's worth sharing, especially the point we kind of stumbled across a white deer, which was pretty cool and felt pretty blessed to see it, really.
It's a deer.
It's a white deer. Bloody hell.
Did you catch it?
I hope so. Out with Cole from Hazzard Outdoors.
Hello.
And he's got a new companion with him. Just see if we can. There we go. Jax, who is how old again?
Coming up to 3 months.
3 months old. Terrier.
Dachshund cross.
Dachshund cross. Yeah. First time out with the boys.
Yeah. The homies. And hopefully she'll be coming for some more wildcat.
Yeah. Happy digging holes around us. Really?
Nothing quite like sleeping on a firebox.
No. Look at that.
You'll do well to get her attention at the moment. Yeah, don't attract it to that muff too much.
Yeah.
But I haven't, that was my one.
As far as it goes for upcoming videos, I've got a few things planned. I have been tagged a couple of times, mainly by Carl, and once by Scoutman Steve, to do a few things. So the first one is a Leave No Trace video, which I've noticed in this little kids shelter that I found, there's a couple of cans of Coke and things knocking around, so I'll pick them up and take them with me to help tidy the place up, but I will do a proper one on that later. The other one, which I'm going to do probably, well, I would say after lockdown. I don't know how long it's going to last, but Carl challenged me to do tagged me to do the cold water challenge, which is basically immerse myself, I think, for 30 seconds in a body of cold water somewhere outside. So thanks, Carl. But I will do that at some point. Not sure when, but when I feel I can get my kit off in front of the camera, maybe. We'll see. But it will get done at some stage. I know people like Ash and others do it on a regular basis, but it'll be a new thing for me. So yeah, that'll be an interesting one. You'll probably hear me shriek, quite high pitched. I did go out exploring a few places local to me as well. A place called Bartlow Hills, which is a Roman burial ground, and I took my drone up there and did a few bits and pieces. as for the channel, I've been hovering under 200 subs for quite a while. I don't do this for the subs, I do it for the fun of it, and I enjoy the editing and producing something at the end. Obviously it would be nice to have more subs, but I'm not doing it for that. However, when and if I reach the 200 sub mark, I will do a small giveaway of some sort, but I'm not going to advertise it. It's just going to be included in a video, so it's for the people who watch me. I don't want to advertise it and get people joining up just so they can get something. And it will be something small, and it will probably be something I make, because I have started doing a bit more level work again and things like that. Currently working on a knife sheath for Carl, so fingers crossed that comes out okay. It's the first time I've done one, but I'm sure I'll get there in the end. But yeah, if I get to 200 mark, I will mention that in a video, and there'll be a giveaway there, but again, it won't be advertised, so if you want to be in it, you'll have to watch my stuff, because it's only for the people who actually want to watch me. But thanks for watching. See you again. Cheers.
Thank you.